Rising above Castleton, where limestone meets sky, stands Eldon Hill, a place shaped by time, myth, and human hands. From above, its form is unmistakable, a great dome of carboniferous limestone, lifted from ancient seas over 300 million years ago. This is the White Peak's northern sentinel, the highest limestone hill north of the River Wye, watching over Winnet's Pass and the valleys below. But long before hikers and drones arrived, people stood here for very different reasons. At the summit lies a Bronze Age burial mound over 3,500 years old. Built of earth and stone, this tumulus was a place of ceremony and remembrance. Excavations revealed human remains and grave goods, suggesting this was not a single burial, but a site of continued significance, a sacred marker in the landscape, chosen for its commanding views across the peak. Even the name tells a story. Eldon, once Elvedon, the hill of the elves, a place that must have felt ancient and otherworldly even to those who first named it. But the hill's story did not end in prehistory. Beneath the surface lay rich veins of lead ore, and for centuries miners worked these slopes. Rakes and shafts cut into the hillside, extracting the mineral wealth that lay hidden below. The remains of this industry still scatter the landscape, quiet traces of a time when this hill echoed with tools, labour and hardship. And later still, quarrying would carve deeper scars into the land, reshaping parts of the hill in ways that are still visible today. Beneath it all lies Eldon Hole, a deep vertical shaft once believed to be bottomless, even an entrance to the underworld. So as the drone pulls away, remember, this is more than just a hill. It is a place of burial, of legend, of industry, and of enduring presence in the Peak District landscape.